Carlos says all multiples of 3 are odd. Carlos is not correct. Give an example to say why. So let's just write multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. You can see 12 is not even odd and 18 is not odd. So he is not correct. Give an example. So we can say 12 is a multiple of 3 but is an even number. So that's why he is not correct. Now explain one number in each shape on sorting diagram divisible by 4 less than 50. So we are looking for a number less than 50 here. This is greater than 50 and less than 100, right? So divisible by 4. So we have number 40 is divisible but and also less than 50. More than 50 we can have 4 times, let's say 12 is 48, which is more than 50 and less than this. Divisible by 25 we can have 25, which is less than 50, and this can be 75, right? Here is a diagram. Each side of the square is total 10. So you are just going to add these two and subtract it from 10. So when you add these two, this is 5.2 plus 3.5, sorry, 3.2 plus 5.5. So this is 8.7. Then we are going to subtract it from 10. So this is 1.3. So we will have 1.3 here. Okay. Now we will go around here down. So 1.3 plus 2.5. This is 8 and 3.8. So 10 minus 3.8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 7 it is 6. So this is going to be 6.2 here. Similarly, you can do the other one. This comes out to be 2.7 and this is 3.4. When you add them around, the total is 10 all around. These are Roman numbers. They are not in syllabus now. I am just skipping this one. So next one we have here, complete these equivalent fractions. So you can see this is divided by, if you multiply here by 5, you get this. So that means we divided by 5, it will get, you will get 5. When you multiply, you are going to get 25. And this side we have, when you multiply here by 24, you get 120. So we are multiplying this also 24. So that means we should have 1 over here. Okay. Now here is a number line. Draw an arrow to show that number 7400 belongs on the line. So here in the middle is going to be 5000, right? So here it's going to be 7500 and a little less than this one is going to be 7400. Okay. Now number 23, the table shows the number of children visiting a library during 1 week. What is the mode? Now mode is the number that occurs maximum times. So we have 34 coming 1, 2, 3 times. So 34 is the mode. And the median is going to be the middle number. So first of all you need to arrange them into order. So we have the smallest number here is 34, then 34, again 34, then we have 35, 36, 36 and 42. Now we will look for the middle number. So we strike off from the first and the last, second last, third and third last. We are left with 35. So 35 is the median. Now a fridge is set at 4 degrees Celsius. The freezer is set as negative 18. What is the difference? So difference 18 plus 4, it is 22. The temperature of the freezer drops by 2. Previously temperature was negative 18. It's dropped by again 2 degrees. So it will be negative 20 degrees. Okay. Now Oliver has some identical rectangles. Each rectangle measures 9 centimeter by 3 centimeters. What is the area? Now you know that area is length times width, which is 9 times 3, that is 27. Okay. Now Olivier uses 4 of his rectangles to make the larger one. He is using the same rectangle here to make another larger rectangle. What is the perimeter? So for perimeter we need to have all the lengths. So this is 9, this is 3, 9, 3, 9, this is 3, 3 and 3. So if you see, this hole is 12, sorry, not 12, this is 9, this is also 9, and we are just going to add 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9. When you add all of them, we are going to get here 42, right? Now here is the list of fractions of the decimal. Write down a fraction and a decimal that are equivalent. So the best way, just write it into fraction, decimal 0.25, this is 0.5. so which one is, this is 0.4. so if you see, this is 0.4 and this is 0.4, they are the ones that we are going to write here like this. Okay, now draw a line to join the each item the most suitable measurement. So the distance from one this Buenos Aires and this one is going to be in kilometer. So I'm just going to join in kilometer the biggest distance. Area of tennis court, it should be in meter squares, and length of the pencil is in centimeters. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for this video. We will see you in the next video with the remaining question. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends if you are getting benefit.